Welcome back to Deals on Track. It's been a long journey.
It's been a while.
It's been a while. So as a result, we are brought to you by Expansion. For it is time for us to... That's right, we are moving the body, specifically from this location onto the chassis. However, we do have a couple of wee things we need to do first. Remember, this chassis lasted so long because it was covered in a wax. I'm going to reapply that before we go throwing the body back on, especially to all the areas that are going to be hard for me to reach, i.e. everything that faces up. We're going to use wax oil or wax spray, some form of amber stuff. So shake well. That'll do. So at the moment, Noisy Boy is sitting where we left her, which is sat on two pallets right under the middle of the car. So what we're doing is the reverse of the removal. We've got an engine crane at the back, lashed out underneath where the rear wheel arch is, an engine crane at the front, again lashed under where the front wheel arches are. So what we're going to do now is make the car float. That will allow us to take these pallets out of the way, make sure we've got a balanced load, and get it ready for the shift onto the chassis. Insert Back to the Future theme music, and we are floating. Oh, lovely. Step 2. Coffee break. Really hard to whistle Bat Out of Hell without breaking into song. Like a bat out of hell, be gone with the rock.
Just going to put that on that.
Yeah. What's the worst that can happen? After our fiasco of dropping this and putting a hole in that, plus the fact that this chassis is now shiny and new, this needs to be addressed. Now I'd quite like to not put the cut back in this because it means I can slide it under the chassis, so we're going to do a wee modification on it. Glue, please.
Should you not have modified this a couple of days ago, sir? So it was dry and set instead of now being a slippery surface underneath?
If I'd thought of it a couple of days ago, yes, you're absolutely right.
What can go wrong when you're moving? How much is the body? 200, 300, 400 kilos through the air on a safe rig?
I mean,
I honestly would feel safer running into a shopping centre and getting every person in it to cough on me. I feel like we should play some elevator music over this.
no, because that's copyright.
Take your time. And for this reason, viewers, I will never, ever, ever own a Chimaera.
Hold that, hold that.
My arse would be going like a rabbit's nose right now.
Sorry, I'm a bit hit the wheel with it.
I think we should get him some diazepam or something. Calm him down a bit.
I will.
His blood pressure will be through the f***ing roof.
Happens.
Aye, opinions are like arseholes, everybody's got one.
Nobody needs to see it. Oh, Tom. Seems familiar. Right.
Mate, what are you doing?
I'm trying to jack up to get a
You had this done in one shot the last time and now you're getting videoed and you're making yourself look like a amateur.
Why is that rolling away then?
It's because that rubber mat's not doing what the rubber mat should do. There's no blondie there.
There's no one here.
I
I made a mention that earlier.
I think we did consider earlier on, it's not actually worked.
Alright.
You ready? Because I'm probably going to have to be under the car.
You'd be rubbed in the front, mate.
What?
Bring in the front in. I like that. I like your thinking. Get this man a cigar. Tongue's out.
Hey?
The tongue's out for
Concentrating faith.
I'm going to take this up just a touch more on this way.
Aye.
There you go, mate, that's you. There you go. What, you're going to hit the...
What we're trying to do here is get this left leg beyond this axle stand and then we're going to pull it back in. This is what's called thinking on the fly.
He's getting some protection.
You laugh, but
It works, mate.
if it's stupid and it works, it's not stupid.
Ready? Fire!
How am I clearing on your end with the engine?
There you go, mate.
Keep hand back. Are we all clear?
Yeah.
It's not far, but it's about a foot.
We put blocks under the tyres, that's what we did, boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Obviously.
of course! Why did we put them on blocks, by the way?
Because the legs of the engine crate were hitting the chassis.
Of course.
So it had to be that.
Of
For me to wait
course.
on
Of course.
established, by the way, this morning before we were on camera, is half of Tools and Track haven't even watched any of the videos.
Whoa, that's a lie. You take that back. I think I watched the first one. I think I've seen 3 or 4.
I think so. Have you seen them all? What was the music we used at the start of the last episode?
Moby.
No.
It's a good
That's a fair
shout.
shout. That's us. Right, do it.
You're clearing by a mile, that's phenomenal.
Can we go down on that just a touch?
Down on it? Absolutely. I was worried you were going to ask me what. Dude! Not the time!
Oh.
Jesus Christ, man!
Right, that's it. I'll be away home now, Colin.
Look at the
stress
stress of the man!
Fucking tickling me! What did you do that for?
Well, it's not like you're holding the body up. That's us.
Down. Keep it steady.
Back on the exercise.
I don't imagine the day that Tommy picked this car up that he figured he'd be doing this.
Then we drop back a bit.
Yeah. You can actually hear the tremors in my voice right now. Yeah, okay.
Prepubescent male like
Yes, please. Thank you. You need to go that way.
I need to go that way.
If that correlates with what you're seeing in the back, then grand.
Alright. Yeah.
That's constant, isn't it? The right hand side.
Alright, Colin, I'm in the.
I'm holding. I'm
No,
holding.
no,
The
no.
body's actually going to need to. Aye. We either lift the chassis up further at this side on the jack, or are you going body wiggle?
Body wiggle. We've got the pivot to do it on, so we'll just wiggle. That's it. And then on the other side, we're also touching the chassis. So we need to kind of
Pivot.
tuck it.
You need to do a Ross. Is it Ross's name is?
Yeah, let's just go there for friends and shit. Right, something you want to lower, and I'll wiggle and we'll open it up.
Pivot.
Keep it going.
Yeah, it's going slow. Yeah, it's going slow.
Right. Still wiggling, it's fine. Walk on. Right, boys.
Well, that's it, yeah.
We're just about there. Is she going now?
Right.
Is she going?
There we go, that's this. Good.
Right.
There you go, mate.
Right
That's
back.
it. Oh,
So
that
it does
sounds
that.
delicate.
Joys of fiberglass.
You're almost down. It doesn't necessarily look.
Yeah, I know.
We can check the film if we
How's-
took it off.
Holes are near enough. Bang.
Outriggers all lined, look not bad. Where they're sitting. Aye. Because that's it feels good, but
I mean, it's lined up.
until it's square on the deck again. Wiggle it just a little bit. You can unclench.
Do you want a burger, son?
Aye. We've now got the body on. We've lined up a few bolts, and I'm pleased to say that they're going in. There's not a lot of drama there. So the boot's done. We can actually tighten those up and throw the fuel tank in. However, before we do that, we need to keep a tradition alive that TVR started themselves and sign it behind the fuel tank for the next owner to find.
If you don't draw a cock, I'll be deeply disappointed. Where's the cock? Oh, sorry, he just wrote Tools and Track on the car.
It's now time to start bolting everything else up. So we've got 4 bolts in the boot. We've got the 2 bolts in the front. We've got the 2 bolts in on the centre console. It's now time to start the wonderful task of drilling my freshly refurbed chassis to put all the floor bolts in.
You can tell things are going well because Tommy's face is considerably less red than it was the last time we were filming. Say, for instance, as the body was dropping out of there. Do you not think he looks a lot healthier
Yes, he
now?
does. I see that smile slowly creeping over his face.
I get to drill as well, so that makes
I'll
sense.
get to draw.
There's a good chance these aren't right.
Yeah, I can see that.
I didn't touch on what is cracked there.
We didn't touch anything either. It could just be the chassis settling.
It's just going to...
It's going to make noises.
It's going to
man.
keep making noises. Every time you touch it.
Just wait till you drive it for the first time.
I won't be able to hear chassis creaks over the sound of how f***ing awesome, man.
You won't be able to hear anything over the sound of how loud it'll be.
That too. So what we're going to do here is reconnect the steering, because moving this thing around in the floor now with anything other than functional steering is annoying. My colleague here is about to remove the steering rack.
Hi! Yes, viewers, your footage of this is not the best, if I'm honest.
I'll put it up in the corner. We're back up in the axle stands again. And last job before we go ending this episode is to catch all of the wax oil that we couldn't do before. So it's basically touching up all the bits I've missed and making sure it's got a nice good even spread on it. Right, that'll do it. We have put the body on, we have finished treating the chassis. That is us for this episode. If that's all you want to know, then that is how you do a chassis resto and a TVR Chimaera. Let's chuck the body back on. In our next episode though, we're going to finish it. We need to reconnect everything we took off and get the engine to start. So stay tuned for that, that'll be coming soon. Probably going to a wee bit of a break because I have beasted this. I need a little holiday, so maybe a few weeks before we actually finish this. And then we've got another project beginning, but I'll tell you about that later on. As usual, subscribe down here if you've not already done it. Next episode's coming here. Also, if you think you've got friends that would find this useful, share it please. We have found a massive increase in subscribers from doing this, and to everyone who's just joined us, thank you for hitting that subscribe button. It does actually make things a lot easier on the channel. It gets us a bit more views and it makes us all worthwhile. Anyway, that'll do us for now. Tune in next time when we hit this thing back on the road and then deal with all the problems that we've caused by taking the body off. See you later, guys.
Yes? Sorry? Hello?
So as a result,
I think that's it. Job done.
now that the chassis has been assembled.
Now that the chassis has been assembled.
Now that the chassis has been assembled.
Now that the what are we going to do? Like screw the light bulb or something?
Put it on.
Right, hold on.
Move the body out.